Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2188 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your engine's air-fuel mixture. And if left unresolved, it can cause poor fuel economy, rough idle, black smoke from the exhaust, and reduced engine performance. What does P2188 mean? P2188 stands for System to Rich at Idle Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the engine is running to rich while idling on Bank 1. A rich condition means there is too much fuel and not enough air in the combustion process. For proper engine operation, the air-fuel mixture must stay balanced. When excessive fuel enters the engine, combustion becomes inefficient and engine performance suffers. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2188, you may notice: check engine light on, rough idle, strong fuel smell, poor fuel economy, black smoke from the exhaust, engine hesitation, reduced engine performance, and sometimes hard starting. In severe cases, excessive fuel can damage the catalytic converter over time. Component location. Now let's talk about location. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, is usually located between the air filter box and throttle body. The oxygen sensor for Bank 1 is installed in the exhaust system. Fuel injectors are mounted on the fuel rail, and the fuel pressure regulator may be located on the fuel rail or inside the fuel tank depending on vehicle design. The most common causes of P2188 include leaking fuel injectors, faulty fuel pressure regulator, excessive fuel pressure, dirty or faulty MAF sensor, faulty oxygen sensor, restricted air filter, evap system problems, or ECU issues in rare cases. A leaking injector is one of the most common causes because it continuously allows extra fuel into the engine. Quick diagnosis: start by checking live fuel trim data with an obd2 scanner. Inspect the air filter and intake system. Check the MAF sensor for contamination. Measure fuel pressure using a fuel pressure gauge. Inspect oxygen sensor readings. And check injectors for leaks or improper operation. If fuel trims are highly negative at idle, the engine is running rich. How to fix P2188: replace a dirty air filter if necessary. Clean or replace the MAF sensor. Repair leaking fuel injectors. Replace a faulty fuel pressure regulator. Replace faulty oxygen sensors if needed. Repair EVAP system problems. Clear the code. And perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing P2188 will restore the correct air-fuel mixture at idle, improve fuel economy, reduce exhaust emissions, restore smooth engine operation, and help your vehicle perform properly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.